Welcome to Primarification, the place where learning gets fast, fun, and visual. From the mysterious of space to the secret of science, we break it down so you can level up your mind in minutes. In today's video, we are talking about the solar system, our tiny corner of the galaxy, packed with planets, moons, storms, rings, and a whole lot of mysterious. In some minutes, you will know them all. Let's launch. At first, let's talk about the ultimate powerhouse of our solar system, the Sun. It looks like a big glowing ball in the sky, but it's way more than that. The Sun is a giant sphere of superheated gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, held together by gravity. The Sun is 109 times wider than Earth. Over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. It makes up 99.8% of the total mass of the entire solar system. The sun is not just fire, it's layers stacked like an onion. The center, where nuclear fusion happens. This is where hydrogen atoms slams together to form helium, releasing tons of energy. After core, there is radiative zone where energy slowly moves outwards, can take up to a million years to escape. Next, convective zone. Hot gases rise, cool and sink, creating rolling motions. The surface we see, called photosphere, it's about 5500 degrees Celsius. The outer layers, corona, is strangely hotter than the surface, millions of degrees, and it's what we see during a solar eclipse. Dark, cooler spots in the sun caused by magnetic activity, explosions that blast energy and radiation into space. The sun is about 4.6 billion years old and it's only middle aged. Scientists assume that the lifespan of sun is around 10 billion years. Right now, it's in the main sequence phase, stable and burning hydrogen. Without the sun, no light, no heat, no life. It drives weather, power photosynthesis, and holds every planet in orbit with its gravity. It's our star, our heater, our life giver. At first, we are talking about Mercury, the smallest and fastest planet. It zips around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. The surface is rocky and cratered, looks like our moon. Temperature is extreme here up to 430 degrees Celsius in the day, down to minus 180 degrees Celsius at night. No atmosphere, just a thin layer of atoms blasted off by the sun. It has no moons and it rotates so slowly that a single day lasts 59 Earth days. Next, Venus. Venus is about the same size as Earth, but that's where the similarities end. Thick carbon dioxide cloud wraps it. It's the hottest planet in the solar system, almost 465 degrees Celsius. There are so many volcanic plains, mountains, and endless lava flows. Spins backward and super slowly. One day here, almost 243 Earth days. Brightest object in our night sky after the moon, known as evening star. After Venus, there is Earth, home sweet home, the only known planet with life, and it's not even close. Nitrogen and oxygen, rich atmosphere perfect for breathing. There is 70% water with continents drifting on tectonic plates. Only one moon, our moon, crucial for tides and Earth's tilt. Earth's magnetic field protects us from deadly solar radiation. After the Earth, there is red planet, Mars. Rust colored and dry, Mars was once wet, warm, and possibly alive. Dusty desert, giant volcanoes, and deep valleys are here and there. Very thin atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide. Cannot breathe it. It has two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos. This is also the home of the biggest canyon in the solar system. Between Mars and Jupiter, the asteroid belt, a wide zone of rocky leftover. Think of it as the solar system's construction debris from when the planets were forming. After asteroid belt, there is Jupiter, the king of planets, massive, stormy, and magnetic. Over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. There is only hydrogen and helium, no solid surface. The great red spot in the planet is a centuries-old hurricane. Talking about its moons, 92 and counting, including Europa, which might hide an ocean beneath ice. It has a magnetic field 4x stronger than Earth. Saturn is a showstopper with its stunning rings made of ice and rock. This is a gas giant, less dense than water. It has 140 plus moons, one of them Titan. that has lakes and river of liquid methane. Saturn rings stretch over 280,000 km wide but are only about 10 meters thick. Wind speeds can reach up to 1,800 km per hour near the equator. Next, Uranus. Talking about Uranus, Uranus is weird and proud of it. It spins on its side. The planet is pale blue due to methane in the atmosphere. It has faint and narrow rings. It has 27 moons named after Shakespearean characters. Its sideways tilt may be the result of a massive ancient collision. At last, but not the least, we have Neptune, deep blue and distant. Neptune is the coldest and windiest planet. The planet has gases like hydrogen, helium, and methane. There are several giant dark spots, temporary but intense. It has 14 moons, including Triton, which orbits backward. Winds can reach over 2000 km per hour, the fastest in the solar system. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, home to icy bodies and dwarf planets like Pluto, Eris, and Haumea. Pluto was once the ninth planet but got reclassified in 2006. Still fascinating. From fiery Mercury to icy Neptune, our solar system is full of extremes, surprises, and beauty, and it's just one of billion in the galaxy. Like the trip, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more space packed videos, and remember, space is always open. See you in the stars.